Hey, Freddie.
So you got 150
Hanging out camping, huh?
short and long-term
Hanging out camping?
liquidity on the balance sheet without tapping the debt markets. And then you're generating $134 billion in cash from operations. So
Oh, it's a little too slow on the bite, huh?
Crazy. You look at the numbers, you look at the graphs. And Google Cloud is accelerating. YouTube ads is growing. Subscriptions is growing. You're not even potentially.
Look at those teeth. Ow. Okay, buddy. A little too much. A little too much. A little too much.
I don't see any value in the
Yeah,
games.
there you go.
Convince me that
Bye.
small companies are going to be able to do something that
Bye.
not going to be able to